As I was saying, how do we cope with people that lies a lot, pathological liars? You know, how how do we cope with them? You know, be supportive when talking to the person about their lies. Remind them that they don't need to try to impress you. Let them know that you value them for whom they are, The majority of their life just, to make themselves feel relevant, you know, to gain respect, you know. But you have to just remind them they don't have to lie. Be supportive that they don't have to lie. You you accept them for whom they are. Secondly, don't lose your temper on them. It can be frustrating, dealing with somebody that lie constantly. However, it is very important not to let your anger get the better of you, when confronting a pathological liar. Just be supportive, be kind, at the same time, be firm, be consistent in reminding them, that they don't have to lie. Just be yourself. I still love you for who you are. Remember that it is not about you. No, it's not about you who is trying to correct the behavior. You know, it's hard not to take. I'm finishing what I have in my mouth. It is hard, you know, not to take being lied to personally, but it is who they are. As they're lying to you, they're lying to this one, they're lying to the other one. So you really cannot take it personal. You have to remind yourself that it's not about you. And also when they are lying, making up all those stories, do not engage them. When you engage them, you know, they are doing it the more. So in order to support them, in order to help them stop the behavior, the part of being supportive is just telling them right away, you know, stop. You don't have to continue with the lies. Just be yourself. And I still accept you for who you are. You know, I don't look at you any less important. Just be true to yourself. It is hard, like I said, don't take it personal. Don't be mad at them. Don't say, you're lying again. We told, don't they lie, no. Just tell them you don't have to lie. Don't be impatient with them. Don't just shut them off right away. No. Be patient, correct the behavior with love, with kindness, and of course, they say there are treatments to it. Um, According to the research that I found, they say the treatment of pathological lying depends on whether or not the pathological lying is a symptom of an underlying psychiatric condition. So they have to see a professional, like a psychiatrist, a psychologist, a therapist. They have to seek a professional help to help them determine if there's an underlying psychiatric condition, that is making them to lie. Like in my previous video, I did mention about people with antisocial personality disorder. Majority of them tend to end up with a trait of a pathological lying. Okay, So depend on what the underlying cause of the line is, we determine the routes of treatment. Sometimes they say treatment can include psychotherapy, you know, like I mentioned before in my previous videos, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, talk therapy, you know, um, it can just be therapy alone, or it can be in combination of therapy and the medications. They say medications that can help to reduce the behavior might be medication that they use for people with depression, people with anxiety disorder. Such medications can help, to treat pathological liars. And also, um, above all, family, involvement in the treatment matters a lot. The family of the person has to, be included in the treatment plan. They have to learn how to, you know, support the person rather than castigating the person, rather than antagonizing the person, rather than being um short with the person, like, stop, don't talk. Anything that comes out of your mouth is lies. But we already know that, so we don't need to remind them about that. All we need to do is to talk to them about, you don't have to do it, you don't have to lie, tell the truth, stuff like that. you know um it is hard, it is difficult, to live with somebody that lies all the time. But it is what it is. You can either work on correcting the behavior, or you walk away from the behavior. If it's a friend, you can easily walk away. But if it's a family member, if it's a loved one, if it's your spouse, can you walk away? No. If it's your child, can you walk away? No, you have to try to correct the behavior. Okay? um I think I might just end the video here. And like I said, please, you guys try as much as you can to subscribe to my channel, Lady Sweets of USA. And also you can like my page on Facebook, the Cancer Talk Show, aka the Big C. I believe that's the name. Let me check it out and see. I think that's the name, if I am not mistaken. If it has not been for the Lord on my soul, tell me where would have been. Sorry, what's it called? My system is kind of slow. Yeah, slow. It is pretty slow. Anyways, like I was saying, um try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can pick it up, and like my page on Facebook, the Cancer Talk, aka Big C. Big C that stands from cancer, that stands for cancer. So just like the page. That's all you need to do. Like the page. Invite your loved one to like the page. If you've had anybody that has been affected by cancer, any way or the other, just invite them to like my page and follow me on YouTube. Just like my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And this brings me to the end. Until I reach out to you all again. Be safe. God bless. Love you guys. Bye.